Hi to you watching this video. So for this video, we're going to discuss Unit 3 pole method of module number 2. So we are still on stresses, normal stress, shear stress for two-dimensional figure. Okay, so pole method is very similar with respect to Morse circle. Actually, they have the same method. It's just that when getting the normal stress and the shear stress, doon lang magkakaiba ng method. Okay, so same sign conventions of Morse circle. So for normal stresses, compression is positive, tension is negative. For shear stress, positive if same direction with theta. Now, for theta, rotation is always counterclockwise. The direction of theta is assumed as positive. Then, the rotation is based on the positive direction in the Cartesian plane. And the direction in the Cartesian plane is, if this is your Cartesian plane, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and therefore the direction is clockwise. Okay, now for the process, plot the coordinates x and y. So for the x, we have sigma x, tau xy. For the y, we have sigma y, tau xy. Same process of identifying the sign of stresses and coordinates. Letter B, connect the points x and y and identify the intersection with the normal axis as point O. Then draw the circle using the compass. Then identify the principal stresses where tau is equivalent to 0. Okay? So ganito lang din siya. So we have here point x, we have point y. Then connect them. So the intersection between line xy and normal axis or normal stress axis is your center. Then from there, you know now your radius, then you can now draw your circle. Now the intersection between the normal stress and your circle farthest from the shear stress axis would be your maximum stress, and the intersection between your normal stress axis and the circle, which is nearest the shear stress axis, is your minimum stress. Okay? Okay, then draw a horizontal line at point Y until it intersects the circle and mark as point P. Then from point P, draw or measure counterclockwise with respect to the horizontal your angle theta. Then you will have another intersection with the circle. Then from there, that would be your theta, sigma n and tau n. Okay, so let's try to have an example. Actually, this example is the same as the example we had for the formula method and for the Morse circle method. So the same, let us identify our points here. So this is point Y and this is point X. So the coordinates are 128, positive for positive for the Y. No. This is sigma Y. So that is positive 128. This is tau xy. This is negative because it is rotating clockwise. Now for x, we have positive 162 because it is in compression, and positive 32 because it is rotating clockwise. That is for tau xy. Okay. So these are our coordinates. So what we need to do is to plot them. So plot points or the coordinates of point x and the coordinates of point y. Then connect them with a straight line. So after connecting it, ito na yung ating center. I can now draw my circle using a mechanical tool. Then I can now determine my sigma max, which is 181, and my sigma min, which is 90. That's 108. Okay? Or 109. Yeah, that's 109. Okay? Then, dito na magkakaiba ng method from Morse circle and from pole method. So here, where am I going to draw my horizontal line? So here, always remember, you are going to draw your horizontal line with respect to the point which is adjacent to your angle. Take note, theta here. This one is theta. Always remember that theta is with respect to the horizontal axis. So theta is adjacent to this coordinates. Okay? So it is again with respect to horizontal axis. So what are these points? You have 128 and negative 128 positive 30 and 128 negative 32. So we are going to have our sign convention with respect to here. Okay? So parehas lang. So positive 128 compression, then nag-clockwise yung shear natin. So that is negative. So 128 positive negative 32. So ito yung point na yon. So 128 negative 32. So from here, from this point, of course I will not be drawing my horizontal line to the left, rather to the right, because nasa right yung loob nung circle. Because if I'm going to place it on the right, wala akong pupuntahan. So it should be the left. So there will be another intersection here, or tangent C. Okay, and I will place that, or I will assign that as point P. Now, from the horizontal, I will now redraw plane AB. Okay? And it is with respect to the horizontal axis, and that is 35 degrees. So, from horizontal axis, going counterclockwise, that is I'll be having 35 degrees. So pag na-measure ko na yung 35 degrees, stop na ako. Then from point P, I will now be drawing line AB. Now between point P and somewhat here, 'di ba? Lagpasan mo lang ng konti, magkakaroon ng point of tangency yung AB natin at yung ating circle. So the point of tangency between line AB and Morse circle will be our normal stress and shear stress. So ito yon. Okay? Then from there, sigma n is, we have here 160, 5, 66, 67, 68, 69. So that's 169. Now for the normal, for the tau, it is 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. I think that's 27. Okay? Okay, so yeah, that's 127. 169, negative 27. So that's my shear stress along plane AB. Okay? Next problem, problem number 2. Same procedure. I'll be determining my points. So this is point Y, this is point X. So the coordinates of Y would be positive 121 compression and negative 39 because it is rotating clockwise. For point X, we have positive 72, positive 39. Then, plot natin. So, plot natin, we have point Y and point X. Connect those 2 points, makuha natin yung center. Then, from there, we can now draw our circle. So, I'll be having my sigma 1 or sigma max. We have here 143. Now, for sigma min or sigma 3, we have 51 kilopascals. Now, to draw, where am I going to draw my horizontal? Would it be on point Y or point X? So, let us check. So, here, with respect to the horizontal axis, the adjacent side of the angle, and with respect to horizontal axis, always remember it is with respect to horizontal axis. So the point or the side with respect to the horizontal axis is point Y. So 121.39. So this is the point. So 121.39. So I'll be drawing my horizontal axis to the left this time because sa left nandito yung dito ako magkakaroon another tangency with respect to the circle. Kasi kung sa right, wala na akong another tangency. So, drawing the horizontal line, there. Nandun na yung aking point P. Okay? So, sa point P, with respect to the horizontal axis, 33 degrees. Okay? Always remember that our rotation is counterclockwise. So, from point from the horizontal axis, I'm going counterclockwise 33 degrees. Then yung point of tangency, then yung angle natin, create a straight line. Then, magkakaroon ng point of tangency between line AB and your Morse circle. Then, from there, yun na yung aking sigma n and sigma or tau n. And for sigma n, that is 71. Yeah, that's 71 for sigma. Then for tau, we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39 kilopascals. Okay? Or 38 daw. Naduling lang siguro tayo. Okay? Then with that, I was already able to determine my shear stress along plane AB.